Hello everyone, here's a tutorial to get you through making your latest WeVideo project with you as the audio and adding some visuals to go along with it. So we're going to start with opening up WeVideo and sign in with your Gmail and click on Create a New Video. Leave it where it says My Project and click Start Editing. And now you're into your spot. Couple requirements. First of all, you need a background. Click on your backgrounds. Pick one of the backgrounds that are shown to you. I'm going to click on this blue one and I'm going to drag it to the video one line. The second requirement is you need an opening title. So click on text and I'm going to click on this opening title and I'm going to drag it to my video 2 line. Now, while I'm there, if I double click on it, it allows me to come right here and change what I want it to say. You can also change the font and the color and so forth, and click Save Changes. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to add some pictures or a video from somewhere. And basically, I just downloaded some pictures from Google. I downloaded them to my computer, and then I went import right here in this little cloud, got them off my computer and imported them into here. So I'm going to use some pictures about fish because our song happens to be called Shark. So I'm going to pull this picture of a fish. I'm going to click on this picture of the fish, and you'll notice I'm just dropping them right next to each other. I'm going to pick on this picture of a fish. Oh, I'm going to add this shark and put him right next to it, and I'm dropping them back to back. Okay. The next requirement is an end title. So I'm going to go back to text and I'm going to pick the exact same one that I started with. And I'm going to drag it to my right next to my last picture, double click on it and go right to the box so you can change what it's called. And you can end any way you want to end it, but you do need to make sure it has your name. Okay, click Save Changes. Now, what you want to do is take your background and click on your background, and you want to pull the ends and drag it till it's equal with all of what you have on the video 2 line. Okay, so now I've got my background, my opening title, some pictures, my end title. Okay, now all that's missing is the sound. This is where you are actually going to make your music the narrator. So go back and click on My Media. And right below that, you'll see Narrate. In the past, you used Record because you were using you as the visual, but you don't need yourself as the visual. You'll only need your sound. So this time I'm going to click on Narrate. It says Get close to your mic and click to record. And it's going to give you a countdown and then you can start to play. Well, while you're playing, you'll be able to see your pictures and things go by, so you can kind of see how slow or fast you actually want to go. Watch. I'm going to click record, my countdown. I'm going to wait till my title goes by. Click stop, and then you can preview it. If you want to hear what it sounded like, click the arrow to play and watch. Wait till my title goes by. And if you're good with where the sound landed, matched your pictures, you can push pause and click save. If you didn't like it, just click the word record again and try it one more time. Don't be satisfied until it's right where you want it to be. But I kind of like that one, so I'm going to click save. Now, once it's done saving, you're not going to see it on any line. If you notice, it's not next to my background. It's not in the audio line. It is an underlying track that's going to be embedded from the very beginning. So if you want to see where things turned out, take your little blue box, pull it to the end, and click your play button over here and see if it's where you like it. All right, let's say you really like it. You think you're done. You've got all your requirements. Click the word finish. Now give it a title. And in your title, I want you to title it Shark, oops, exclamation point, and then put your name, please. Okay, so the title of the piece and your name as the title. Click set. Now up here, you want to make that it says video is clicked, resolution SD is clicked. You want to also click right here where it says Google Drive, and right below it, it says Mark Export as Public. Click this. That's what helps me to see your video when you send it to me. When all those are clicked, click Export. Now it's going to get worked up and it's going to end up in your Google Drive. Okay, so your video is now done and you can share the export. You notice how there gives you a link here. Don't share that link. Go ahead and close WeVideo altogether, and I'll show you how to get it from Drive. Well, now here we are inside Google Drive. Look through the folders to find the one that says WeVideo and open it up. You'll then see the video that you just worked on and you would like to right click. A menu comes up and you're going to click right where it says share. Once it pulls it up, down here under where it says get link and it says the word change, click on change and pull down this little arrow to do anyone with link and keep it on viewer. And then you can click up here where it says shared and you can add my email. Okay, so you could put Lancer Band right there. And you could give me a message. Here is my video. And then click send. This will allow me to view your video because you're sharing it from Google and you're sharing it to anyone with the link can be a viewer.